Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to talk to you about our full range of corner finishing tools. We've got a very broad range of finishing tools to meet all your needs. Our angle heads go the whole way from 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 inch. We made this 4 inch about 2 years ago, and it's done really well, especially when you got a bad hang job. But I want to talk to you about how this system works. So the first thing you do when you're finishing a corner is you're going to put your joint compound and your paper tape, maybe 5 of fuse into the corner. And then you're going to use your corner roller, get a little bit of joint compound on there, and you're going to roll it in there. So you stick it into the middle of the corner, you're going to go up and then down so you're not dragging the tape. You don't want to start at the top or start at the bottom and pull up and down right out of the gate. You want to start in the middle, go up and down, and you want to set that tape back into that joint compound the best you can. Of course, we have a full range of accessory handles, so I'll put these tools on there. Very simple to use. The corner roller works just like everybody else's corner roller. You've got this female threaded pole and the male thread on that end. It's basically your fine thread. It's very common. These are nice extension poles, easy to adjust. Probably some of the best extension poles you'll see in the marketplace. So you can get up really high. We go the whole way up to 78 inches on these extension poles. So again, starting out, put your joint compound with tape in the corner. You're going to roll that in to seat that in at 90 degrees. Once you've got that set in, then you're going to take your joint, you're going to take your angle head, and then you're going to put that onto your accessory pole. We've got this quick release, quick attachment method. You just basically push it up, put it on the ball, and then it's securely attached. Again, you're going to start in the middle of the tape using your pole. Just going to hold it. You're going to go in directly and follow the direction of that bullet, and you're going to come back down to the floor. So you're going to want to get that joint set in, that corner set in again, and now you're basically flushing the excess joint compound off the surface of that tape and forcing it out the back side. So now you've got a nice tight corner set in there with your corner finisher. So that's really called the flushing. So now once that's all dried, you're going to go to your corner applicator or some other device, like a mud shot from DeWalt. You may choose that. That's a pneumatic tool. But you're going to go to your corner applicator then, and you're going to attach that to your corner applicator pole. Very important thing to note here is that there's an angle in this corner applicator pole. Okay? You want to make sure that that angle is facing down when you attach that handle to the corner applicator. If you attach it like this, you're going to be tearing the paper. You wouldn't believe how many folks call us and say, hey, my corner applicator is tearing the paper. The first thing we ask them is, well, send us a picture of how your handle is attached, and you'd be surprised how many times that handle is not attached properly. So now that I've got that attached to my corner applicator on my pole, I'm going to go ahead back and I'm going to pick up an angle head again. I'm going to attach that to the corner applicator, and again, following the direction of this bullet, we're basically going to put this up into the corner, and as I'm pushing, I'm pulling again, so that's going to be traveling across that joint compound, or across that corner. The joint compound is going to be coming out the front of this finisher, and then these blades and skids are going to give you a really nice glaze across that. So again, when I'm doing that finish coat, I'm using a lightweight joint compound, something easy sand, and we're just trying to feather that corner out again to give you a really nice smooth finish. To fill this, of course, you've got your joint compound pump, you've got your filler valve on the front, so very simple. Once it's emptied, you pull that handle back. You're going to go ahead and you're going to put that valve right on your pump, and then just going to pump that full of joint compound and you're back in business. So again, this system is going to help you finish those corners from start to finish. Joint compound pump, that's the workhorse. That's involved in almost every step of the process. But again, you'll find at Level 5, we've got a fantastic line of corner finishing tools. They're very fairly priced. You have a 7-year warranty and the best customer service on earth. So if you want more details, you go to our website and read more about each one of these tools. You can always check us out on Facebook, Instagram, a lot of videos on YouTube as well. But bottom line is, Level 5's got your back. We're finisher first. Welcome to the Red Zone. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more information about Level 5 tools. If you've got questions or more details sought, go to our Facebook page, Level 5 Tools, Instagram, and you can always go to level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.